How long does it take to learn and earn from affiliate marketing? Hi, it's Del from Future You Success here, and I just want to talk a little bit about my experiences with affiliate marketing and the timeline that it took from starting to actually earning money and beginning to learn to a level where I could scale it. And hopefully some of this will help you. Now, affiliate marketing, it's a business where you will get paid commissions by recommending products to other people through other social medias or blogging platforms, whatever it might be, whatever outlet you choose. And I came to this with no experience. You can read about my backgrounds in my posts, and I'll put links down below. So it was a very steep learning curve for me. All this internet stuff is a bit like witchcraft. I'll be honest, my background has nothing to do with online offers or work or whatever this world is taking us to. So as a complete newbie and a complete beginner, which probably might be the situation you're in as well, and you're looking to grow an income part-time, and I'd always recommend starting part-time. I'll touch on that in a second. And you really want to understand what you're putting your efforts into, where it will take you, and how long it's going to take you to actually see some real reward from it. Now, I did say about starting part-time, please, whatever you do, don't go all in, as you'll probably see on some of these other channels. They'll say, give it the burn, go straight in 100%. The reason for that is you're going to put yourself under financial pressure. Build your business in your spare time. Financial pressure is one of the toughest things that anybody can ever experience. I've been through it at certain times in my life, and believe me, it puts strain on you, relationships, and it really is not a pleasant place to be. So you really want to look at something that you can build in your part-time, and affiliate marketing, as I've recommended in some of my other videos, is the best way to get yourself started and get a toe in the water to feel if the online world is for you. So how long will it take? Well, there's four real things that you probably have to understand the basics of, and that's number one, your skills and existing knowledge. Now, I say to people that it doesn't matter what your skill level is. You're probably watching this and have probably got far more online experience than I had when I started. So you don't need effectively skill sets, but if you've got some already in the online world, it's going to help you accelerate a bit quicker. The next important thing is how much time do you have to dedicate? Now, to get anything moving in life, whether you're at a gym, whether you are starting a business, you're going to have to put some initial energy and inertia in behind it to build up that momentum. So you really need to block your time out part-time. They call it doing a 5 to 9, I think. It's they play on words, 9 to 5, 5 to 9. So set yourself some time, hour of an evening, 4 evenings a week, or whatever that might well be. You know, saves you watching rubbish television anyway, and use that time effectively. The more time you use and put into it, the more and the quicker you'll get the momentum going for you. Okay. The other key thing is the complexity of your niche chosen subject. If you are in a very complex environment, or you choose something that you don't have any background or experience in, it's going to take you a lot longer to understand how it works and become, I suppose, an authority in the field. I'll give you a good example. When I first started all this, I thought, oh, computers, it's the world, it's where we go. I don't know anything about computers. It took me a long while on two things: to realise I didn't really know what I was talking about, and secondly, to actually come to that stark realisation that I was wasting my time. So do things that you're passionate about, do things that you understand, and make those your chosen subjects. And again, in the time and the spare time you're using, you will build much quicker. And the other key thing that you've got to bear in mind is that knowledge is great. There is so much knowledge out there that you can pick up on, that you can learn from, that you can put into practice. And that's the key, putting it into practice. There are so many people that will absorb, but never actually get started. The important thing is that you just do something. Knowledge without action is going to get you nowhere. If you think you're being productive by watching lots of how-tos and this, that, and the others, I've got news for you. your first few, yeah, you get the grounding, but you've got to start putting something into action, if you like. Now, how long will it take you to start seeing some rewards? Well, as a learning curve for me, and as I say, I don't know you, I don't know what your experiences are, I don't know what time you're going to put in or what your work ethic is. I'm fairly committed in what I do, and I had to learn really from grassroots level. So I found that on the first 0 to 3 months, that really was me learning the basics. I was setting up my platform, I was choosing a program that I could align with, an affiliate program that is, and I really began to sort of get an idea and get a feel of what the industry of affiliate marketing was all about. When it became, let's say, the 3rd to the 6th month, I was creating content. I started websites and I started to become more proficient in what I was doing. I mean, my first attempts were pretty ham-fisted, a bit like some of my videos. I mean, I'm no natural with any of this. It's all a learning curve. So I began to refine in those 3 to 6 months. I began to build audiences on my subjects, and what I then found, once I got to the audience, I was beginning to put some links in from my affiliate program, and then I started to get a little trickle here and a bit there, which proved the concept, and I started to earn some money. The 6-month mark and then to the 12-month mark, I really learned how to refine what I was doing, go back over old things, change content, work on what audiences were asking for, what were they looking for, and again, building more links in to what I was doing. And by about the 10th to the 12th month, I started to see some real returns on my efforts for what I was trying to build. And that's really what I would say to you, is that it's going to be a learning curve and it's going to take a little bit of time. You'll see all the Lamborghini driving, Rolex wearing gurus out there. I'm telling you now, walk away from any of that stuff. Just put your head down in the spare time you've got, and remember this: the harder you work at it, the easier it's going to become. I hope some of that has been some help for you, giving you a bit of an idea how to manage your expectation. If you've got any comments or any questions, drop them down below. I will come back to you, and hopefully there's some value in this for you. Wish you all the best in your journey. Let me know how it goes, and good luck with your online business.